Tanong, may support ba after mag-sign up? Yes, definitely. Hindi kayo iwang mag-isa. Right after you sign up, you'll receive full access to our mentorship training system and support community designed to guide you step by step. By the way, Konihubay Hayakawa, again, Tubong Davao, at nanirahan na dito sa Japan ng 27 years na nakasubok na ng iba't ibang trabaho. And now, I'm proud digital business owner na gamit lang ang aking cellphone with Wi-Fi po. So, here's what you'll get. Personal mentor or coach. You'll be guided by someone who's walked the path ahead of you and is here to help you start strong with clarity, not confusion po. And group Zoom training and live mentorship. You'll be invited to join regular calls where we answer questions, share strategies, and grow together as a team. May replay din if you're busy. Lahat naman po tayo busy. So, and access to our community Kizuna local plus global po. You'll be welcomed into a positive faith-filled group. We are celebrate wins, help you overcome challenges, and give you tools to stay consistent. And this piece video training portal. Lifetime access to beginner-friendly modules, update tools, and step-by-step tutorials so you can learn your own schedules, even if you're working a full-time. And optional, accountability partners if you want extra motivation. We can pair you with someone or like me, andito po ako, who will walk with you as you grow at your own pace. You'll never have to figure it out alone. So, you just need to be willing to learn and be coachable and will walk with you. Yan lang po at God bless po sa ating mga pangarap. Bye-bye!